Tiki tiki. Oh, you cute little fuck. Alright, so while we're at it, I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. I was supposed to do a do-it-yourself or out to change the oil on this car, but really it was just too easy that I just forgot to turn the cameras on. And really, this is where your oil go. Your filter's right here, and really just require end height. It's nothing bad. The only thing that was tricky was, and as you guys can see, it's a K&N filter. Like, I have no problem with their product whatsoever. The only thing that was tricky was for the engine mount, which is located right here. It's a bar, and the issue I had with this is the fact that, as you guys can see, it's all scraped now. My fucking jigger, or jack stand, kept on scraping this because the car is too low. So if you have to do the oil change yourself, make sure you have a low profile jack, and use jack stands and chuck your wheels. It's always a good idea. So, but yeah, the whole oil change took, I'd say, 2 minutes because of the top mount filter and where the bolt is for the oil. Everything just came out very easy. The oil that I used, I believe, is still in my trunk. Yeah. This is what I use, 0W20 synthetic oil, royal purple, and I used 5.5 quarts. I mean, it's 5.5 liters, so I used a big jug and half of that one, as you guys can see. And that's all it took for that car, which was great. So, no, back. Why don't you go back? Oh yeah, I did it like this. So yeah. I mean, does it really need to do it yourself? But just thought I'd show you guys. And now I'm gonna go back to play with my cat. Energy.